Hello, welcome my new series Linux for Developer. In this session, we learn huge Linux command and also most of the time, you are a developer, but if you want to publish your application in Linux, you are very facing huge problem because you don't know how Linux work. Because if you are coming from in .NET technology, most of the time you are writing in Windows Server and in Windows machine development. That cause is Linux. If you are moved to Linux, then it's very problematic for you. Then this session that help you to understand Linux properly. And from this session we learn how to create Linux VM in cloud, and Linux basic command, user group, and how to manage user in Linux, how to create file permission, enter password based login, install software in Linux and various Linux VM edition, how to set up Nginx, and how to view in log and publish ASP.NET Core application is Linux server. What is my goal? I am showing you. When you are developing a application in ASP.NET Core and you want to publish your application in Linux, you need to do some several job. That is, you need to create a VM, then update your VM, then install your SDK and Kestrel service file, then set up Nginx, and then set up reverse proxy to view the application. But before I start our journey, I showing you in practical how what we do this application. We are developing an application, and without touching anything we host our application in production server. So now if I go if I start, and next video I am showing you what is my purpose of this section, and you learn a huge thing, and then we start our step by step learning. Okay, bye bye.